Every forklift operator's performance must be evaluated at least once every 3 years. This raises a number of questions, from who should conduct the evaluation to what the evaluator should look for. The evaluation must be conducted by someone who is qualified to train operators. Although supervisors should watch for unsafe driving, they probably aren't qualified to conduct the formal evaluation. The evaluator should observe the operator performing normal duties and make sure the operator follows all safety rules. Violations might include raising or lowering the tines while moving, driving too fast, not wearing a seatbelt, or placing hands outside the running lines of the truck. Keep in mind that if operators know they are being evaluated, they might be more diligent about following safety rules. A surprise evaluation could reveal a more accurate picture of their usual driving habits. If the evaluation finds any problems, the operator will need refresher training on those issues. You must also evaluate the effectiveness of training, including any refresher training. Now, if the operator understood the safety rules but violated them anyway, then refresher training probably won't prevent future violations. The root cause must be addressed, whether it was pressure to work faster or an attitude that the safety rule doesn't make sense.